In this video, I'm planning to explain product and quotient rule. Here we have product of the expressions here. If for the polynomial function I explained before, it's easy to multiply firstly, then get the derivative. But for using the product rule, we have to solve step by step these expressions. Here the derivative, I'm going to solve some of them only. I'm going to solve the derivative of the d1. What is the derivative of this expression? And we know f times g derivative. F times g derivative is going to be equal to f derivative times g plus f times g derivative. It's going to be derivative of first one times second one. Derivative of first one, x cubed minus 1 derivative times x plus 1. Is going to be, and plus x cubed minus 1 times x plus 1 derivative is going to be, and x cubed minus 1, the derivative of, there is a subtraction here, and derivative of this expression, it's going to be this expression, x cubed derivative is equal to 3x squared. The derivative of minus 1 is equal to 0 and it is not written, times x plus 1 and plus the derivative of this expression has no derivative. We are not going to apply the derivative here, so I'm going to write this expression and I'm going to apply the derivative to this function. Derivative of x is equal to 1, derivative of 1 is equal to 0. It is not written, then the expression is going to be in this form. So I'm going to multiply this expression and this one. This is going to be 3x cube, 3x square plus x cube minus 1 is going to be, then the expression is going to be equal to 4, because 3x cube and x cube, it's going to be 4x cube plus 3x square minus 1, it must be. Okay, for the quotient rule, I'm going to choose the J1 and I'm going to solve the second one for the quotient rule. If you remember, for the quotient, if f over g derivative is equal to f derivative times g minus f times g derivative, this is similar with the addition product rule, only we have addition here, and of course this g squared over g squared is the extra part here. Okay, so root of x, this is the f and this is the g, root of x derivative times x squared plus 1 minus root of x times x squared plus 1 derivative over x squared plus 1 squared is going to be. Okay, we know that x squared root of x is equal to derivative of this expression, x to the power of 1 over 2 derivative at the same time. So it's equal to 1 over 2 x to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1. 1 over 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 over 2 it's going to be, so x to the power of minus 1 over 2 is going to be, then times we have x squared plus 1 minus root of x again here times x squared plus 1 derivative, which is equal to, I forgot to take the derivative of x squared, times 2x it must be. Okay, then this expression is going to be equal to 1 over 2. The power is negative, that's why this is going to be x to the power of 1 over 2 times x squared plus 1. Pardon, I forgot the denominator here, which is x squared plus 1 square. It's going to be for this expression. Okay, let me take it a bit up. Then is equal to is equal to 1 over 2 x to the power of 1 over 2 times x squared plus 1 minus root of x times 2x, it's going to be, or 2 times root of x times x it will be. And this expression again, root of x, as a root of x we are going to write this part is same again, x squared plus 1 square is going to be. Okay, now I finished the derivative operation, but as this 11th grade for the 4th grade science teacher, this answer is not enough. That's why I have to continue. This expression is going to be x squared plus 1 over 2 times root of x and minus 2 root of x times x over x squared plus 1 square, and that's equal to, here this expression we can multiply 2 times root of x, 2 times root of x, and it will be equal to x squared plus 1 minus 4, 2 times 2, root of x times x is equal to x times this x, it's going to be over 2 root of x times, or all over again, let's write here, the next step it will be like that, square is going to be. Okay, this denominator, because a over c over b, it's going to be equal to a over c times b. That's why this expression is going to be equal to minus 3x squared plus 1. Why minus 3x squared? Because minus 4x times x is equal to minus 4x squared. X squared minus 4x squared is equal to minus 3x squared plus 1 over 2 root x times x squared plus 1 square is going to be. Okay, now this is the last expression. Here we have functions, but f and g exactly it is not given, and they want us to find the h derivative once for 3 questions. Here this is the product of fx times gx, so h derivative, when I say, I'm going to understand f times g derivative at the same time, which is equal to f derivative times g plus f times g derivative, and that's equal to f derivative and h derivative 1 is equal to, then h derivative 1 is equal to f derivative 1 times g1 plus f1 times g derivative 1, and all of the expressions are written here. F derivative 1 is given, it's equal to minus 1, and here g1 is equal to minus 2 plus f derivative 1, f1 is equal to 2, and g derivative 1 is equal to 3. So minus 1 times minus 2 is equal to 2. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 2 plus 6 is equal to 7 is going to be.